Okay, welcome to IMG. So you're now finally a member. So probably you already went through the orientation. Alam mo na kung anong benefits mo. Maybe nakalagin ka na din sa portal mo. And maybe nakapag-financial check-up ka na din and you have maybe started some investments already. But part of your membership benefit is the entrepreneurship of IMG. Alright? So today, dito sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin, ano nga ba ang business ni IMG? Kung gusto ko itong gawin, paano ko nga ba ito gagawin? Alright? So today, we're going to learn what is IMG's entrepreneurship all about. Okay? At ano ang pinagkaiba natin, no, sa ibang industriya o sa ibang traditional businesses out there. Alright? So welcome to IMG, Fast Start School, a simple solution to building a big business, no? So this is where it all begins. Okay, so simulan po natin ito, no? Siyempre, pakilala po ako. So, I'm Katrina Andres, together with my husband. Kami po ang kasama ninyo, ang teammate po ninyo sa IMG. Kami po ay dating OFW, pero back home in the Philippines for good na dahil nga po sa platform ni IMG. At malaki po ang naitulong sa amin ng entrepreneurship ng IMG. Alright? So, syempre, we're going to dig deeper who is IMG. So, IMG is a pioneering global company that serves as an avenue towards the ease of financial security. We are biggest and fastest growing financial services companies in the Philippines today. No, more than 22 years in existence na tayo, with presence in over 68 countries such as Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, Macau, the Middle East, the Europe, and more than 70 cities across our country. So, sabi nga namin sa IMG, basta may internet, pwede. Alright? Ano ang mission natin dito sa IMG? Our mission is to help you create wealth for your families so that one day, no family left behind. Nangangarap tayo, bawat Pilipino, isang araw, lahat tayo, pare-pareho po tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong perang magagamit sa lahat ng pangangailangan natin, hindi tayo mapag-iiwanan financially, lalo na ang ating mga kapamilya. And of course, we are using this book in propagating the financial literacy campaign of IMG. Alright? At what's our crusade? Anong krusada natin? Anong kampanya natin? We want to deliver the world's financial wake-up call, changing people from spenders to savers. No, parang ako lang yan nung panahon. Bago IMG, kami po ay typical na OFW, okay? So we are as spenders. We really don't know how to save and invest the right way. And yung crusade na yan nakarating sa amin. Kaya nga ba, ito naman ay kasama na kami, no, sa pagkakampaign sa ating crusade. And our vision is to bring financial literacy to 30 million families by the year 2030. Kasi naniniwala po talaga tayo that the first solution to financial challenges or the solution or the key to financial success is kaalaman po. Alright? And we should be proud because we are already part of that 30M at sana po, no, makasama namin ang bawat isa sa inyo to do the mission of IMG. Alright? What's deeper pang vision ng IMG? To build a new financial industry where everyone is able to earn what the wealthy are earning by bringing the secrets of the wealthy to all. Okay? So, tanungin po kita, alam po ba natin ang sikreto ng mga mayayaman? Ba't sila yung mayaman? Di ba? Nung panahon, hindi naman. Di ba? Lalo na nung wala pang social media. But here in IMG, kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga mayayaman, kaya ba natin gawin kahit na limited ang fund natin? Kaya natin. Di ba? So, we wanted to build a new financial industry. Bakit? Sa old financial industry, ang pwede lang mag-invest are those people na may pera. Tama po? Sino bang nilalapitan ng mga nagbebenta ng mga condominiums, 'di ba, ng mga insurances? 'Di ba normally yung mga may pera, yung mga mayaman. E paano naman yung mga nasa laylayan ng lipunan? Paano yung mga middle class, 'di ba? Paano yung tayo kagaya natin, limited ang source of income natin? How can we also do that, no? So, yan ang vision ni IMG na magkaroon lahat tayo ng pagkakataon na maging financially well one day or wealthy. Alright? And of course, one-stop shop tayo, no? Sana, no? Since member ka na ng IMG, kakabisaduhin mo ano yung platform mo para alam mo kung ano yung one-stop shop mo. Para alam mo kung saan ka mas makakatipid. Alright? So, what's the business of IMG, Katrina? Okay? So, very simple, clear, doable, and it's very fast, no? We have been able to help thousands of our associates take advantage of the IMG business with flexible time, commitment, and schedule, no? So, bakit, Katrina? Bakit more than 10 years ka na dyan, no? Mag-11 years ka na dyan. Bakit nananatili ka dyan? Bakit pinagpalit mo ang buhay abroad mo, no? Sa pagiging isang campaigner sa IMG? Because dito po may proven system that helps you build a successful business. Paano ka nakakasiguro? Kasi po yung aking sponsor ay kung ako'y 10 years na sa IMG, siya ay 19 years na, di ba? At nakita ko ang progreso niya dito sa sistema ng IMG. Bakit? Proven po ang system. Basta gawin po natin. Alright? So, anong characteristics ng business ng IMG? You are in this business for yourself, but not by yourself. Hindi ka po dito mag-isa. Di ba? Bakit? Di ba kapag po gusto natin pong mag-set up ng sarili nating business, lalo na kung sole proprietorship ang negosyo mo, no? Ikaw lang lahat talaga. Ikaw maghahanap ng raw materials mo, ng ideas, ng provider mo, ng mga gamit or inventaryo ng negosyo mo, lugar, saan ka magre-renta, di ba? Saan ka mag-set up ng business mo. Lahat yan ikaw. Tama po. Why? Pag naging successful yung business mo, iyo yan eh. Tama? Katrina, paano ko patatakbuhin ng business ng IMG? Wala akong alam sa financial industry. That's why you are not here by yourself. Why? Because we provide continuous training and support. If you really wanted to learn and grow in this business, there's a lot of way to learn. International ako, hindi ko kayang abutan yung mga trainings. May portal. Tama? Ay, gusto ko yung live, may webinar, gusto ko face-to-face, may opisina, diba? We provide continuous training and support, alright? And of course, the business of IMG, you earn income for today and build income for the future, diba? Yung ating mga OFWs out there, yung kinikita po natin para saan po yan? Income for today, tama? Ginagamit natin para sa needs natin. Pero, pag tumigil ka ng maging OFW, may income for tomorrow pa ba? May future pa? For example, empleyado ka naman dito sa Pilipinas. Pag di mo na ba trinabaho yung trabaho mo, may income for the future pa? Wala na. Tama? So dito sa IMG, pag ginawa po natin itong kanyang negosyo, you will earn income for today, but as you build this business, you are already building your source of passive income one day. Paano yun, Katrina? Pakita natin mamaya, alright? So ano yung IMG business model natin? Number 1, entrepreneurship po tayo. Negosyante po tayo dito. You build your own business, you do not work for an insurance or investment company, hindi ka po dito empleyado. At ito po maganda sa business ng IMG. We have what we call the vesting right. Whatever you build here, yung code na meron ka, yung user ID na meron ka, pag na-build mo po yan, whatever that code is generating, sa iyo yan. Pwede mong ipamana yan because meron tayong tinatawag na vesting rights. And the traditional industry doesn't have that. Bakit mo alam, Katrina? Because I've been in the traditional industry for more than 30 years of my life. O, diba? So, alam natin kung ano yung sistema po doon. And this one is number 1 that sets us apart sa traditional industry. Okay? So, whatever you build here, it is yours. Kaya nga ba dito, every effort that you do, as long as tuloy-tuloy ka in running the system, wala pong mawawala. Walang mawi-waste. Why? Because it is your business. Alright? Number 2, no quota. You work at your own pace, at your own time. It's very flexible. So, kung gusto mo ng chill na negosyo, chill. Gusto ko additional income na 10,000. O, di gumawa ka lang ng 10,000. Gusto ko ng 500,000 na additional income, Katrina. O, di mag-effort ka ng 500,000. Ganun lang yon. Pero nobody from the community will tell you na, uy, Grace, dapat meron kang 50-50 production, 5-5, 10-10. Walang ganun. Ikaw magkota sa sarili mo kung may gusto kang marating. O di ba? Kasi mas maganda yung nanggagaling sa loob eh. Di ba? Yung sarili mong initiative, ikaw naglalagay ng limit o ng, kumbaga, ng gusto mong marating. Di ba? So we don't have any quotas here. Alright? Number 3, unlimited territory and income. You can be as big as you want it to be. You can build your business as big as you want it to be. Your income potential is completely up to you. Bakit? Kahit saang lupalop ng mundo, kahit saang lupalop ng Pilipinas, basta narating mo, nakausap mo, kaibigan mo, kakilala mo, pwede mong maging outlet yan. Right? So, wala tayong territorial boundaries. Hindi pwede na, ay, siya na yung taga-Antipolo, kanya na yun, baluarte niya yun. Wala po tayong ganun. We are in a free enterprise. Okay? Unlimited territory po tayo. That's why your income potential also is unlimited. Oh, talaga? Walang limit, Katrina? Pwede akong kumita 1 million a month? Yes. Kung umeffort ka ba naman ng 1 million a month eh? Bakit hindi? Hindi pwedeng sabihin sa'yo ni IMG, oh, teka lang, Russell, hanggang 500,000 lang ang pwedeng kitain kahit na binigay mo na lahat, no? Sa isang buwan, ganyan lang. Wala pong limit. Nasa sa iyo. Kaya in IMG po, your success all depends on you. Nobody else. Di ba? Tatakbuhin mo lang yung sistema ng IMG. Mamaya, mapag-aaralan natin yan. Alright? But, Katrina, anong ginagawa natin dito? Okay? So, this should be clear. Kasi iba po ang ginagawa natin in IMG. No, this is how we do the mission. This is how we do the business. All right? Una, we help people move from dreaming to doing. Anong ibig sabihin nun, Katrina? Tanggapin po natin na hindi po lahat ng Pilipino ay ipinanganak pong mayaman. Tama? Hindi po lahat ng Pilipino may oportunidad makatapos ng eskwela. Pero marami pong Pilipino na hindi man sila sinerte sa rangya ng buhay, malaki ang pangarap po nila. Tama? So, the platform of IMG allows everyone to be successful. Equal po ang opportunity ng bawat isa sa atin dito. Walang pogi, walang pangit, walang maganda, walang matalino, walang hindi nakapag-aral. Lahat tayo. The opportunity of an elementary graduate is the same as doktor. Okay? So lahat po dito, ang pangarap po natin pwedeng maging realidad. Bakit? The platform allows us to do that. There's no judgment. Basta gusto mo, pangarap mo, kaya mong trabahuin, kaya mong maging katotohanan. Diba? While if you go and compete in the corporate world, kagaya ko nakatapos po ng kurso, hindi madali. Pag di ka nakataas ng eskwela, paano ka makikipagsabayan sa trabaho? Tama po? Sinong tatanggap sa'yo kung yung kalaban mong nag-a-apply may diploma? So not everyone is given that opportunity. And that's why there are people who have a lot of dreams, malaki ang pangarap, pero hindi sila nakakaahon kasi walang oportunidad. That's why IMG is the right platform with the right environment because you can make your dream becomes reality. Number 2 that we do, we bring life-changing financial concepts and solutions to middle-income individuals and families who are overlooked by the financial industry. Let's accept it. If you go to a mall, tapos naka-chinelas ka lang, naka-shorts t-shirt, tingin mo bebentan ka ng condominium? Tingin mo may magbebenta sa'yo ng insurance or investment? Wala, no? Kasi feeling nila wala kang pambayad, diba? So we cannot blame these people because yun yung trabaho nila para magbenta, diba? So syempre, hanapin nila yung kayang bumili. Sa atin po, wala tayong pinipili. Diba? Wala tayong pinipili. Kahit sino, kahit hindi nakatapos, kung gustong mag-save, mag-invest, gusto ng insurance, gustong mag-ipon, gustong maging marangya ang buhay isang araw, tutulungan po natin. Ina-approach po natin lahat-lahat. Wala tayong pinipili. Okay? And ito pa, hindi madaling intindihin po ang mga financial products. Yung mga policies ng insurance, stock market. Pero dito po sa IMG, may way tayo na papaunawa po natin sa kapwa natin Pilipino kahit gaano pa yan hindi nakapag-aral, mapaunawa natin sa kanila the importance of saving and investing the right way. We have those concepts na mas mauunawaan ng tao. Kaya dito halo-halo po tayo. Napakadami po sa atin. Pare-pareho lang tayo. Mahirap sa buhay, pero gusto mag-ipon, nagagawa. So, this is what we do. This is the mission of IMG to help each and every Filipinos talaga magkaroon ng opportunity. So, I hope and I pray that when you go and share this to your loved ones, to those people near and dear to you, to those people you know, your friends, do this because you want them to become successful. Do this because you want to change their life. Do this so that magbago din ang buhay nila through the platform. This is what we do. Alright? And what's our solution? So, IMG solution, apat yan, diba? We have financial solution. You bypass the middleman. You can earn from your own products. Nakakatipid ka. Plus, natututo ka pa. Number 2, eto nga, may business solution tayo. A business that creates you multiple passive income streams. Number 4, we have community support. We have harmonized, systematized, and standard way of supporting each other. Pangarap mo financial freedom, ganun din sa akin. Kaya we support each other. And lastly, ang dami nating mga benefits. So, ano yung solution for the new industry? So, because you have to take note this concept comes from IMG. Tayo ang nagdala ng konseptong ito. Kaya this is the solution for the new industry. This is the complete financial plan. Anong tanong? What if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? Solution, life insurance. What if I got sick? Who will take care of me? Solution is healthcare. What if I live too long naman, Katrina? Who will take care of me? Solution is you need to have enough money, investment portfolio that works for you. O, diba? 3 in 1. Luckily for us, itong 3 major financial needs natin to complete our financial picture can be found insurance, healthcare, and investment long-term, diba? Could be found sa Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder ng partner nating si Kaiser International. So, kung ikaw na nanonood ngayon, may Kaiser na, congratulations. Pero kung wala pa, mag-start ka na. Mag-start ka na, huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Bakit? Dahil lahat tayo tatanda, lahat tayo magkakasakit, lahat tayo dadami ang medical needs pagdating ng panahon. Tanong, gusto mo bang mamroblema pang pamilya mo sa pagkakasakit mo, pagtanda mo, o gusto mo handa ka na at hindi na mababurden sa atin? Diba? So, investment plus life insurance plus healthcare, this is the best execution of a solid financial foundation. Because kahit sa maliit lang na halaga, kung ano yung kaya mo nang simulan to. O, diba? So, ito yung encouragement natin. Diba? Ito tanong ko sa inyo. Gusto nyo bang ma-build ang solid financial foundation nyo? So, imagine this, no? May 20 million kang investment portfolio. O, diba? Sa stock market. May emergency fund kang 1 million. Wala kang utang. May healthcare kang 5 million. May 10 million kang life insurance. Ano pong pakiramdam nun? Peace of mind, di po ba? Parang ang sarap, Katrina. O, imaginein mo palang masarap na. Paano kung totoo na? Mas masarap. Ang tanong ngayon, kaya mo bang pondohan lahat yan all at the same time? So, kung hindi pa, hihintayin mo ba na abutin mo to at the age of 60, 65, 70? O ngayon pa lang, pwede ka nang gumawa ng paraan. Anong gagawin ko, Katrina? The only solution is increase your cash flow. Huwag mong isipin na, Katrina, hindi pa ako nagsisimulang i-investan lahat yan kasi kulang pa yung pondo ko. Huwag mong problemahin yun. Simulan mo. Tapos, gumawa ka ng paraan. Kasi buhay ka pa eh. May pagkakataon pa. Eto, nasa IMG ka, kayang-kaya mong i-increase ang cash flow mo. Papaano, Katrina? Siyempre, marami tayong ituturo, paano magtipid, paano magdisiplina, pero you can only tipid as much. So, kung gusto mong ma-achieve ito as fast as you can, as early as you can, while you can, anong gagawin po natin? Hanap tayo ng ibang source of income. Because it's very difficult to build our solid financial foundation kung isang source of income lang tayo. So, the question is this, do you want to increase your cash flow? If your answer is yes, how many families do you want to help? Ilang pamilya ang gusto mong tulungan? Dahil bawat tulong mong pamilya, ikaw ay may blessings, di ba? Do you need to increase your cash flow? So, anong gagawin mo? Tara, i-build natin ang IMG business mo. Okay? I-build natin IMG business mo. Paano, Katrina? Anong step 1 ko? O, syempre, ang step 1, alamin mo muna bigway mo. Kasi lahat ng ginagawa mo ngayon sa buhay mo, may rason, tama? Kung ikaw ay OFW, iniwan mo pamilya mo sa Pilipinas para kumita ng malaki, pinitiis mo yan, bakit? Para sa anak mo. Tama po? Para sa pamilya mo. That's big why. Now, the question is, bakit mo gustong i-increase ang cash flow mo? Bakit mo gustong i-share si IMG sa iba? Kailangan clear yan sa iyo. So, example, maaring gusto ko na mabayaran lahat ng utang ko, Katrina, as fast as I can. Gusto kong mapatapos yung mga anak ko sa university na gusto nila, sa kursong gusto nila, or become a better provider for your family. Hikahos pamilya ko, gusto ko gumanda-ganda naman buhay nila. Or support your aging parents, 'di ba? May sakit, gusto mo magbigay, kaso pag nagkasakit yung anak mo, wala ka na maibigay. Or replace your wife and husband. Income po ha, para you can retire your wife, siya nang bahala sa bahay, para ikaw magtrabaho, para may mga tumitingin sa mga anak. O 'di ba? Retire your wife, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin, kitain mo din, 'di ba? Yung kinikita ng wife mo para maganda yung pagpapalaki natin sa sa mga anak natin, o, di ba? Or fire your own boss. Sawang-sawa ka na and become your own boss. Or for OFWs, come home for good. Sabi nga nila, there's no place like home, di ba? Ako po kasi I'm an OFW, I never saw myself talaga retiring sa ibang bansa. Pilipinas lang talaga. And thank you kay IMG kasi nagawa na namin. O, di ba? Katrina, gusto rin mag-travel. Ano bang gusto mong travel? Libre o binabayaran mo? O, di ba? And of course, you want to give to charity, but you don't have much, pwede rin that you want to become somebody. Tagal na. Overtime ako ng overtime, wala namang recognition. So dito, you can become somebody. Pwedeng yung mga big whys mo, isa sa mga to, pwedeng may iba kang big why, pero very important po na ang why mo clear. Para lang yun din pag nag-start ka ng investment mo, dapat ang goal mo clear. Kasi kung hindi clear ang goal mo, maaring ititigil mo yan, maaring hindi mo rin ma-achieve yung gusto mo. So, very important ang big why. So, you can discuss this with your trainer para at least your trainer can support you. Lalo na pag dumarating tayo sa panahon na nahihirapan na tayo. So, if your why is clear, the how becomes easy. Di po ba? O, itong mga to, mga nasa abroad natin, di ba? Di ba nagiging easy yung pagiging malayo natin sa pamilya dahil iniisip lang natin na wala tayong mapakain, hindi natin mapaaral, kakayanin na natin to, di ba? So, when your why is clear, the how becomes easy. Very important po yan. Anchor everything that matters to you the most. So that's your big why. So everything that you do. And when you do this, IMG mission and business, because of your big why, definitely you will succeed. Diba? So ano yung how, Katrina? Ito, the IMG promotion guidelines. So ano yung mga guidelines na to? Diba? So ito yung milestone na dadaanan mo habang ikaw ay nagpo-progress dito sa IMG. Alright? So, you start being an associate. So, paano maging associate, Katrina? Mag-join ka, bayad ka ng membership mo, kumuha ka ng sariling savings plan mo, like Kaiser sana, then i-share mo sa iba. Diba? Share lang. Kwento-kwento mo lang. Then, get license as well. Diba? So, mag-join ka, you get your own Kaiser, and you become an associate. So, ano mapapala ko dyan? Okay? You earn 20% commission. O, mamaya, tignan po natin yung amounts niyan. Alright? Your own savings plan, yung sarili mong Kaiser, wala ka pa dyan madidiskwento. Dahil yung sarili mong plan, yung OSP mo or own savings plan mo, that will entitle you to become an associate. Once you are an associate, then saka ka magkakaroon ng discount na 20% or meron kang magiging commission. We buy our own savings plan from our sponsor so that all our associates buy their OSP from us. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Pag tayo po'y bumili ng sarili natin, wala pa po tayong income doon kasi give up sale po natin yon. Para lahat po ng malalapitan mo, lahat ng dadalhin mo sa IMG, pag sila ay kumuha na rin ng savings plan nila, sa'yo na yon. Alright? Kasi isipin mo, kung sinarili mo yung savings plan mo, anong gagawin ng mga dadalhin mo? Ganon din gagawin nila. So it's like giving up one tree to gain the forest. Alright? So that's our first milestone. So ano yung susunod sa Associate Katrina? Say may Kaiser na ako. Of course, encourage din po tayo'y mag-licensing. Alright? Okay. Next is Marketing Director. So how to become a Marketing Director? Dalawang option po yan, but we focus on the option 2. Okay? Dalawang option yan. Pwede pong 9 na mag-join, 9 na mag-start ng savings plan nila, under sa team mo in 90 rolling days, 3 months. Pag nagawa mo yan, promoted ka to Marketing Director. Or you just do 3 GX blocks in 3 months time. Anong mapapala ko pag Marketing Director na ako? Your personal commission will jump from 20% to 37%. Okay? And then, next to Marketing Director is to become an SMD. So, ano yung options? Is option 1, you go 30-30 in 90 days, 30 joins, 30 na nag-member, 30 na nag-start ang savings plan nila like Kaiser, in 90 rolling days, maaari na po tayong magpa-promote to Senior Marketing Director. Or, we do 10 base shop GX block. Mamaya explain natin yung GX blocks na yan. Alright? Then, mapropromote tayo to Senior Marketing Director. At ano yung mapapala ko dyan, Katrina? So, from 37% personal commission, magiging 47% na po siya. Alright? So, from Senior Marketing Director, marami pa po yan. Pero we focus muna dun sa 3 na basic na promotion. The Associate, the Marketing Director, then the Senior Marketing Director for starter. Alright? Now, paano namin yan tatakbuhin? Paano namin yan gagawin yung mga promotion ng Marketing Director to SMD? Okay? So, we are running what we call the GX program. Okay? So, ano yung GX program? So, we just do 3 joins and 5 owns every single month. Okay? Yun lang. Diba kanina? 9990, 30-30-90, di ba? Para hindi na tayo malito sa bilang-bilangan, ito lang, simple focus tayo. Okay? So, example lang ha, the GX kasi, it's more of like a consistency. It's a program. So, 3 magjo-join direct sa iyo at 5 mag-start ng savings plan nila or mag-o-own ang tawag natin doon, like Kaiser or Most 18. So, imagine if you started to get 3-5 from January, you get this shirt for free. Okay? And the patch. Then, if the following month na GX2 ka ulit, papalitan yung patch mo ng GX2. Then, you become GX3. Okay? And then, you become GX4, 5, 6, hanggang 12. So, it's like a 12-month program of consistency. Para kung consistent ka na, yan lang ang fino-focus mo. Small, diba? Lalago ang team mo. Alright? So, ano ba yung benefits ng GX program, Katrina? Which is the 3 joins, 5 owns, in 30 days. Number 1, it's focus on results. So, ibig sabihin, yes, you have activities, but you are focusing on your results. Number 2, it's very easy to monitor. Hindi mo na minomonitor yung 9990 o kaya 30-30-90. Hindi mo na yun minomonitor. 3-5 na lang minomonitor mo. Para sa iyo, para sa team mo. O, diba? Number 3, very simple to run. Simple run. Simple requirement. Akala ko ba, Katrina, walang quota? Yes, there's no quota here. But of course, for you to progress from one milestone to the other, there are requirements. Para lang din yan pag nagpa-promote ka sa kumpanya. 5-year service, may ganito kang certificate. Di po ba? Ganun din tayo dito. Pero very small requirement, di ba? So, 3-5 is very easy to run. Very simple. Hindi mo naisipin yung ibang numbers. 3-5 ka lang ng 3-5 every month, makukuha at makukuha mo ang promotions mo. Alright? Very clear ang goal. Okay? Consistency. So, pag kasi ginawa mo po ang GX as a habit, o basta ang goal ko every month, meron akong matulungang 3 magjo-join, 5 na mag-i-start ng savings plan nila, every month, yun yung goal ko. So, nagkakaroon ka ng consistency. So, when you do consistency, magko-compile yan, mag-expound yan. Exponential ang growth ng iyong team. Diba? And easy i-duplicate ng team. No? Madaling kopyahin, madaling gawin, very doable, predictable din ang income mo. Pag laging ganyan, predictable ang income mo. And, syempre, because you focus on small focus, diba? Fast ang promotion. So with the GX program, it's a very simple run, very predictable, very consistent siya. Alright? So that's the benefit. That's why we wanted easy na lang, diba? Ito na lang yung i-focus natin. Okay? Now, papaano kami mag-create ng wealth, Katrina? Through the IMG entrepreneurship, diba? Through the mission of IMG. So in IMG po, we have what we call 12 powerful ways to make money. Tanong, sa trabaho mo, sir, ma'am, ilang source of income tayo? Diba? So dito, we have 12 powerful ways. So we're gonna discuss 1 to 4 muna. Sa higher series na po yung iba. Alright? So first is, we have the personal commission, the match-up commission, management overrides, and royalty income. So ano yung personal commission, Katrina? Ito po yung commission mo. Say, for example, ako, in-invite ko si Mr. X. Pumunta po siya sa office or pinakausap ko sa trainer, diba? In-invite ko siya. So once yan ay nag-start ng savings plan niya, okay? Since ako yung direct na may invite sa kanya or guest sa kanya, pag yan nag-join, pag yan nag-start ng savings plan nila, personal commission ko yon, okay? Sa akin yon, alright? So we have what we call the personal commission. So for associates, our personal commission is 20%, for marketing director 37%, for SMDs or senior marketing director 47%. Okay? So kung ikaw ay associate, meron kang na-close na Kaiser, 'di ba? 30,000 ang annual premium, 20% mo doon, may 6,000 additional income ka, 'di ba? Eh kung ang tinutulungan mo, isa lang na tao na tulungan mo diyan sa 6,000. What if may 4 kang natutulungan bawat buwan, isa kada linggo? So pwede ka magkaroon ng additional income as a starter na personal commission na 24,000. O, 'di ba? Sa marketing director naman 37%, 9,990 na yan. So, example, lowest plan 30,000, K50, dahil 37% na siya, ang personal commission na niya umakyat na to 11,000. Alright? So, kung kada linggo isa, abay, pag MD ka pa lang, pwede ka nang mag-personal commission ng 44. O what more pag SMD? O 47%, 'di ba? So, that is your personal commission. Yung mismong ikaw ang may direct, okay? Na may bisita or guest or na-sharean yung taong yun. Alright? So, example, no? Bago ako, Katrina, paano ko ba tatakbuhin yung GX program? So, syempre, we have a system to run. So, while you're running the system, naka-invite ka, merong nag-join na 3 under sa iyo. And then, may 5 kumuha din ng sales nila. So, on the first month, nag-GX1 ka na. Okay? O, next month, anong gagawin mo? Consistency ang GX, di ba? GX ka ulit. Tama? Mag-GX ka ulit. So, GX2 ka na on the second month. Ngayon, yung 3 pinasok mo, gusto din mag-GX. So, silang 3 nag-GX. So, ano nangyari? Ilan na to? Sa una, meron ka ng 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. E, more than ka na sa MD. So, sa second month pa lang, pag pala ginawa kong GX Katrina, hindi ko lang kailangan hintayin ng 3 months para maging MD. Yes, on the second month, pwede ka na mag-MD, okay? Third month, consistent ka, nag-GX ka pa rin sa sarili mo, GX3 ka na. Tapos yung nag-GX1 sa'yo, nag-GX2 din. Yung mga bagong recruit ng mga GX1 last month, naging GX1 na din lahat. So on the third month, anong mangyayari sa'yo? You are promoted to SMD, diba? And as you continue on the months, you will be promoted to green jacket and to CEO. O, di ba? So, anong mga requirements niyan? Naku, malaki. 150, 150, 100, 100, 30, 30. Di mo na iniisip yung numbers na yon. 3.5 ka lang ng 3.5 every month. Plus, tulungan natin yung team members natin mag-GX din. They run the system. So, pag tumatakbo ang GX program sa buong team natin, madali ang promotion mo. Tama? So, when you focus doing the mission, by just focusing the 3.5, mas mabilis mag-grow ang team natin. So, the question is this: how many GX under you can you build? Gusto mo ba ikaw lang nag-GX o gusto mo mag-GX din yung team members mo? Mag-GX din sila. Why? Tingnan natin. Ito yung personal commission kanina. Diba? Pag ikaw po ay isang associate at nag-GX1 ka, 3 joins, 5 sale. Sa 5 sale, 30,000 annual yung binayan. Mabababang plan yan, pinakamababa. 150,000 ang premium value. Times 20% po nito, that is 30,000. O diba? First month mo pa lang, may additional 30,000 ka na. Problema mo pa ba pang Kaiser mo? Problema mo pa ba pang top up mo? Hindi na. Meron na. Diba? Eh kung MD ka, 150,000 times 37, 55. SMD, 150,000 times 47, 17,500. So, personal commission pa lang ito. If you keep on doing this month in, month out as an associate, this is what you make. As an MD, this is what you make. Alright? Next. So, ito yung computation nun, no? Wala kasi doon sa previous slides kanina. There's another way of earning, no? We call it the SMD base income or base shop income. Alright? So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag tayo po ay na-promote na one notch higher than associate, we already have what we call overrides sa mga nasa team natin. So, if you're an MD, your overrides is sa mga associates mo. So, between you as an MD and your associate, 37% ng MD, less 20%, si MD may overrides kay associate na 17%. Pero pag SMD ka, overrides mo sa associate is 47% less 20, so 27%. So, let's say, for example, I'm an SMD already. May isa akong associate, masigasig, mag-campaign. So, merong nag-start ng savings plan, Kaiser, 30,000 per annum. So, from here, kikita si associate mo. But you as an SMD or a trainer, may 27% ka din na overrides. Automatic po yan. Kahit hindi mo siya tinulungan. Okay? E paano kung si associate masipag? May 4 na sales sa isang buwan. So, magkano yung SMD base income mo or base shop income mo? 32,000. Tama? Passive or active? Passive. Kasi kahit hindi mo tulungan, automatic magpapakita ito sa portal mo. If you're an MD, 10% overrides. Pag SMD ka, 47 less 37, 10%. Then, your personal, as an SMD, pwede kang magkaroon ng monthly income na ganito. Pwede na, no? Ano na to eh? Sahod na to sa ibang bansa, diba? Now, let's do GX. Pag nag-GX ka, okay, every month, tapos sa team member mo, let's say for example, I am an SMD, I do my own GX. So, 150 premium value, 5 sales times 30,000 yung premium, 150 times 47, personal commission ko 70,000 in a month. Paano kung hindi lang ako ang nag-GX? Nag-GX din yung isang MD ko, nag-GX din yung isang associate ko. So, 2 GX ang na-build ko. So, ang anong overrides ko sa kanya? Minimal 2, okay? 15. Ito, 40,000. So, if you want, mag-GX ka, plus 2 base shop, 3 kayong nag-GX in a month, as an SMD, you can make this much. additional income, di ba? E paano, Katrina? Kung hindi lang akong nag-GX, may 3 akong MD, may 3 akong associate, o ito pong additional income natin. So the question is this, how many GX do you want to build in your team? Ikaw lang ba gusto mo? Syempre, dapat hindi. Pero syempre, dapat mag-umpisa sa iyo, di ba? Now, that's the second way of earning. We call it the overrides, di ba? The overrides or base shop income. There's another way if you become a trainer, okay? We call it the match-up income. Okay? So this is the second exchange principle. You have to understand that the system of IMG is built on the principles of giving. Yung sistemang tumatakbo kay IMG, na built ito sa pamamagitan ng prinsipyo ng pagiging mapagbigay. Diba? So our second exchange principle is the match-up. Okay? So syempre pag-start, wala tayong alam, we don't know how to explain, we really don't know, no, kung paano. That's why you always have your dedicated trainer. So be trained by your MD or SMD para matuto ka, 'di ba? So para ma-duplicate mo yung trainer mo. So observe and duplicate your trainer for you to become a good trainer. So anong effect nun, Katrina? Split lang ang commission. All the points goes to you. You're running, 'di ba? Kailangan mo ng points para ma-promote. Lahat ng points sa iyo, pero split kayo ng commission. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Example, si Rose may dalang guest, isa. Ako kumausap, na-close ko siya. So what happens? Yung guest ni Rose, nagbayad ng 30,000 premium. So at paano mag-split? So from the 30,000 divided by 2, 15,000, Rose gets her 20%. Ako naman, I will get the 47% on the half. Split lang ang commission. Para bagang tuition fee mo, para one day, you can become a good trainer. Because when you become a good trainer, unlimited match-ups in return. Kasi sa'yo na makikimatch up ang team member mo, pwede din makimatch up sa iyo ang ibang leaders. So always remember, 50% of something is better than 100% of nothing. Kasi kung ayaw mo makipag-match up kasi gusto mo sa'yo lahat yung income, what's the probability that you will be able to close it? Hindi mo naman alam yung sasabihin mo. O, diba? So, better, sige lang. I learned naman, kasi ako po ganun nun eh. Marami na akong alam sa financial industry, pero I submit to the system. So, yung first 5-6 sale ko, match up po yun. Nakipag-field train talaga ako sa mga trainers sa Dubai noon. But, lahat po yun na commission na match up, bawi na lahat. Why? Because I become a good trainer and sa akin na nakikimatch up yung team members and all other leaders out there. Alright? Now, anong goal ng isang SMD kagaya ko? Di ba kanina sa atin natin, may overrides ka. MD to associate, 37 less 20 is 17% overrides. Yung SMD, may overrides sa MD at associate. E paano, Katrina, pag lahat na naging SMD sa team? Yan ang pinakamasaya. Because our goal is duplication. Our goal is to help, diba? Na magkaroon ng opportunity. Other source of income yung ating team members. That's our goal. Duplication, diba? Help more families. But, paano yung Katrina? 47 less 47, di zero na. Wala na akong overrides. Tinulungan ko pa siya maging SMD. Diba? Hindi, meron. You earn lifetime royalty income. Ibig sabihin, ako, si Grace, direct ko, na-promote siya to SMD. Siya ay first generation SMD ko. 47 less 47 is 5.5%. Meaning, sa total na production ni Grace, monthly or yearly, whatever, meron akong 5.5%. Passive or active? Passive. Na-build ko na yun eh. Pinapatakbo na niya negosyo na on her own. So, this is what we call royalty income. Diba? So, Jollibee nga yata at McDo, 5% lang ang royalty income eh. E paano, Katrina, kung yung team member ni Grace naging SMD din? Hindi na direct sa'yo yon. Anong tawag doon? Second generation. Hanggang sa 6th generation mo, maaari ka pong magkaroon ng royalty income. Lifetime royalty. This is what we call the income for the future. Diba sabi natin, whatever you do, you build it. When it is built, it gives you future money. Diba? So ito po yun. In IMG, every effort you do, it will make your business grow. Hindi man agad-agad, but it will grow. And someday, one day, kahit hindi ka na gumagalaw, dahil napatakbong maigi ang sistema sa team mo, tumatakbo pa din sila. Kahit sitting pretty ka na, meron ka pa rin income. Kasi may royalty income ka. O, diba? So, help pa more, diba? So, kung titignan po natin, example, ikaw ay may na-promote na direct na SMD na 10. Ang average sale po ng isang SMD is 10 sales per month. So, kung may 10 sales, there's 100 sales. Kahit sabihin mo na puro K50, pinakamababang plan, annual premium value is 3 million, 5.5% ka dyan. Paano kung yung 10 direct SMDs mo nagkaroon ng sariling SMD? Tapos may 10 sales each. 500 sales times 30,000, that's 15 million. 3% ka dyan, ilan ang royalty income mo? Si SMD2 nagkaroon ng sarili niyang SMD, so SMD3 na yan sa akin, hanggang 4. Kaya one day, your annual income could become your monthly income in IMG. Pwede yun, Katrina? Wala akong alam. Naku, ang dami po dito, ganyan. Elementary graduate, grade 3, pero very successful. Why? Because they know their why and they run this system. Alright? So for us to become big, we need to have a system. Kagaya po ng lahat ng ito, may sistema lahat yan para maging successful. Eh tayo, anong sistema natin, Katrina? We have what we call the wealth creation system. These are the steps that we follow to become successful in IMG. First, we list down our share list. We approach them. Binuk-study natin sila. We follow up. Then we run the system. Then duplication will come. Pag na-perfect mo to, very successful ka na. But how are you going to perfect this? Learn from all the meetings. Meetings lang yan. Increase knowledge lang yan. Meeting mentality. So imaginein mo, nag-join ka. Nag-start ka na yung savings plan mo. Naglista ka ng names ng mga gusto mong sharean, nag-share ka, dinala mo sa orientation, finalo up mo, what will happen? Definitely may results. Definitely may promotion and income. Pero kung wala kang nilista, wala kang book share, wala kang book study, wala kang follow up, definitely walang results. Okay? Wala ring income. So, run the system and the system will run your business. Don't deviate from this system. Huwag mo siyang ibahin, diba? Huwag mo siyang doktorin. Gawin mo as it is. Alright? So, we're about to end. Anong call to action natin? Dapat is, we finish the share list form. Number 2, fill outan po natin yung 7-day, 7 steps duplication natin or yung fast start checklist natin. Fill up the campaign and protect form. Go to the field within 24 to 48 hours kasama trainer mo. In that case, ako, whether Zoom, whether face-to-face yan, or sa office, open your portal, attend ka ng TFS, product trainings para dumami alam mo, and mag-license ka. So, ito po yung format ng top 25 share list natin. Please do PM me kung wala ka pang natanggap na ganito from your trainer. Okay? Hingi ka ng copy nito para mailista mo na yung mga gusto mong tulungan at i-share si IMG or yung mga taong malapit sa iyo, kilala mo, kaibigan mo, kapamilya mo, na alam mo, kailangan nila si IMG at matutulungan sila ni IMG. That's what we call share list. Then, the fast start, no? 7-day, 7-step duplication or fast start checklist, diba? So, ito yung checklist ng mga dapat mong gawin. So, ano na bang natapos mo? O, naka-financial check-up na ako, nag-know the why na kami ng coach ko, diba? May 25 share list na ako, nakapag-own na ako ng Kaiser ko, and fill up the campaign and protect form, okay? And then, these are the tools that we use when we go out, no? We have the video book, available na to sa IMG, and we have also the hard copy ng book, alright? And of course, log into your portal, navigate your portal, huwag ka pong matakot, itry yan, pindut-pindutin yan. Why? Kasi po, hindi po sasabog yan. So, discover all the buttons there. Discover how to use your platform. Okay? So, who wants to be in a travel? Diba? Sino pong gustong sumama sa amin sa mga susunod na travel? So, kami po, no? We're part of this Dubai travel last year. We have the Malaysia, the Taiwan, Korea, Singapore. So, ito na lang mga European nang wala ako dyan eh. So, this year, we have Vietnam, okay? We have the GX experience in Japan, and we have the Macau also, diba? And ito yung London. So, you want to travel the world for free? That's part of GX. That's part of lifestyle. Trabaho ka, mag-share ka, mag-campaign ka, gawin mo yung lahat, ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. At the end, part ng lifestyle. Dito nga sa IMG, we always say, we work hard, but we play harder. Diba? We work hard, but we play harder. It's very nice to travel. It's very nice to discover the culture of other countries. It's very nice to experience, no? Lumalawak ang vision mo sa buhay mo, para sa'yo, para sa pamilya mo when you go and travel. So run the system and the system will run your business. Do the step 1 to 6 share list, book share, book study, follow up, run the system, duplication, how attend the meetings. Nasa portal lamang natin ito. Panoorin po natin yung mga founders po natin na nagdi-discuss sa atin. May problema tayo, balikan lang natin ang sistema. Alright? Also, like and follow our page po, no? Para at least alam natin ang nangyayari sa ating mga community. Of course, we also have our Facebook page. Kung di ka pa po nagfa-follow dyan, nagsusubscribe, follow ka na para pag may bago tayong YouTube video, magagamit po natin, no? Mai-share po natin, mapapanood po natin. So congratulations everyone, no? Congratulations campaigners. Please submit your 7-day 7-step form and prepare to receive your certificate, no? So syempre we're not gonna issue our certificate now. Attend tayo ng face-to-face or yung webinar po nating official ng Fast Start so we get our Fast Start certificate. So congratulations, and I hope and I pray that you join the mission. Share what you learn so that you can bless more people. And when you bless more people, blessings returns to you more. God bless everyone.